back to another video. So today I'm gonna be working on the 1UZ. Some block off plates just came in. The other week I tried to make some, but they turned out super junk. So I just got some in the mail and we're gonna go ahead and install them. So this is the new block off plates that we got. I did put the bigger one already on it, but they look a lot better than the ones that I did make right here. So it'll look a lot cleaner, which is the reason why I ordered them. So we're just gonna throw the rest of them on.
You just make a reminder for yourself.
Blaine is looking over all my my labels for my engine. All of them is black holes.
Oh, what is that?
Driver's side of engine.
Just so you remember that this
so that
you remember that this is the driver's side.
This is the driver's side.
So when you look at the engine, this is the driver's side.
Yeah, I didn't know. They all just have random things on them. It's like a game, you gotta figure out how to put it back together.
No.
I'm gonna be so upset if you get your car running before I get my engine in.
You should probably start getting upset because it's
Well, hell no.
I think I only need a couple more parts too for it. I just need the headers and the exhaust. I mean, we can still throw it in without it, but...
Oh, a couple more parts? Yeah, I got all my parts.
But
I just gotta see if it works.
But no broken parts? That don't count. Been sitting in the same spot.
Like literally,
yeah.
It hasn't moved since the drift event.
No!
Oh.
What the heck, man? That's an ejector. You don't want dirt to go inside that. You remember how to put all this back?
I know, yeah. I mean, all of the bolts look the same, right?
That's how you're going. That's what you're basing everything off of.
I'm basing it all off of everything was 12s. Is that not good?
No.
I guess we'll see. Maybe Bradley will get his car ready before we... No, he didn't even start yet. Ooh.
You're gonna be so proud of yourself when you put this back together.
I know.
There's just no organization at all. I don't even know where anything goes.
Did you not see how my bolts are organized?
Yeah, you made one pile. That head looks really good.
It looks super clean. Like, not as clean as when we opened the 240, but it's super clean. I was debating between going silver or black, and I ended up going matte black. So now that everything is painted, all I have to do is slap it back on the engine. We also replaced the starter bolts and screwed them in from the front going towards the back, so that way if we ever need to replace them, we don't have to take off the whole transmission. And all I have to do now is cut these bolts so that way it has room for the adapter plate. That's it for today's video. The engine is pretty much ready to get thrown inside the car. All we have to do now is pull the KA and get the engine bay ready, and we can throw this inside and it should be good to go. It's super exciting. It's coming pretty fast, but we have a whole lot more videos coming for you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe. Go ahead and cop some merch if you haven't already. It's carshopbloom.com, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and today again.